This is the center console of the 2016 to 2017 BMW X3 X4 with the EVO system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is a fiber optic cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Fiber optic cable installation. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Remove OEM screen. Unplug the LUVDS cable.